Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing shape on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select a shape, remove the background color, adjust the shape, duplicate the shape, change the color of shape, select another shape, to back the shape, select the orange color, to back color red, then select a photo, to back the photo. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.